everyone, welcome to today's lesson on soil erosion. I'm Madam Evelyn Obaso. I will be your course facilitator today. And so by the end of this session, I would like us to be able to 1. Define soil erosion, 2. Name the causes of soil erosion, 3. Compare the different types of soil erosion, and lastly, describe the effects of soil erosion on agriculture and environment. To begin with, what comes on your mind when you hear the term soil erosion? Is it soil loss? Is it deforestation? Is it nutrient loss? Is it water pollution? Is it sedimentation? Is it runoff? Well, soil erosion is the displacement of soil particles by natural forces like water and wind. I want you to note that even human activities like mining, construction of buildings, usually erode soil. And when this happens, it leads to water pollution, land degradation, and even soil losing its fertility. Let's have a look at the different types of soil erosion. Number 1, we have splash erosion. Just as the name, splash, it means that this is a type of soil erosion that usually dislodge the soil particles whenever the rain drops on a bare soil. Another type of soil erosion is called sheet erosion. And in sheet erosion, a thin layer of soil is removed by either wind or water over a large area. This kind of soil erosion is usually very difficult to notice. Another type of soil erosion is rill erosion. Rill erosion normally occurs when water cuts across the land surface, making small channels. These small channels are called rills, and so as the name. The last type of soil erosion is called gully erosion. It usually occurs when surface runoff cut across the soil surface, making large channels that are deep, and these usually make the land unusable. Note that this particular type of soil erosion is very severe and can make the land unusable over a period of time. It also leads to formation of seasonal rivers. I want us to look at this experiment to demonstrate how soil erosion takes place. We have got setup A, that is depicting land without vegetation, and we have got setup B depicting a land with vegetation. Let's watch the video. Are you able to notice the difference? Look at setup A. A lot of soil particles are washed away, while setup B, only small soil particles are washed away. Don't you think vegetation have a role in controlling soil erosion? Yes, because they usually provide ground cover, holding the soil particles together and therefore controlling the rate of erosion. I want us to look at the effects of soil erosion in our groups and post your responses on the Mentimeter. Wow, thank you for your wonderful responses. Let's summarize these effects of soil erosion. 1, we have loss of soil fertility. How does that one happen? Remember, when we talk about loss of soil fertility, we are talking about lack of some nutrients in the soil. And this usually happens when the top fertile soil is washed away by rain or water. They normally leads to sweeping away of some nutrients, making the soil to lose its fertility. This can lead to reduced crop yield, such that when you plant on that particular soil that erosion has taken place, then the produce that you get at the end of the day may not be your expectation. Another effect of soil erosion is water pollution. And when we talk about water pollution, we are talking about the contamination of water. This can be as a result of deposition of sediments or deposition of harmful chemicals like pesticides, insecticides, or even acaricides. And whenever soil erosion takes place, then sediments get their way into the water bodies. This normally endanger the aquatic life. Another effect of soil erosion is desertification. When we talk about desertification, from the term desert, you'll find that these are land that are dry. But even if the land is dry, it doesn't mean that the land does not have nutrients. And so when continuous erosion takes place on land that is dry, then it depletes the soil nutrients on that land, making that land to be barren or to be infertile. The last effect of soil erosion that we can talk about is damage of infrastructure or destruction of infrastructure. Which infrastructures are we talking about? We are talking about roads. We are talking about farm structures like the buildings, the fences, the piggery, etc. And so normally erosion weakens the roads and even building, therefore destroying them. Note that these effects not only impact on the farmer, but the whole community or the whole area where you come from. Have you seen these effects in your area or in your community? What were some of the ways that you used to prevent them or to prevent soil from being eroded further? And so I want you to explore the actions that can be taken to prevent soil erosion. Ensure you post your responses or maybe your findings on the Google Classroom using the link provided. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in our next session.